Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning into my channel. For this video, I wanted to upload both the driver perspective and then a outside the vehicle view perspective of the Coyote Crawl located at Palo Duro Canyon for the Jeep Jamboree. So I just got back from the 2019 Palo Duro Jeep Jamboree, and this is my first time going out there. This is my first Jamboree actually, and one of the most probably most famous trails out there is the Coyote Crawl. It's where most of the pictures that you see of that Jamboree are taken. And in this video I have a GoPro Hero 5 Black that's mounted on my dashboard, and then my buddy was just standing up videoing with his iPhone. So that's the difference in the video quality. But the top part of the video is essentially looking at the Jeep coming through, and the bottom one is the perspective of the driver going through. So if you have not done this before, I think it kind of gives you a neat perspective of kind of what your vehicle does and what it looks like inside the vehicle going through this iconic trail. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and take care.